The one you once called soulmate, darling, baby, now feels like a stranger sleeping beside you. From soulmate to silent roommate? How did you two drift this far? Have the arguments become louder than the love? Tonight, something will shift. This isn't just a prayer, it's a breakthrough waiting to happen tonight. Let's invite God into your home, your heart, and your marriage right now. Because love isn't dead. It just needs divine help. Let's pray your marriage back to life, together. Tonight I'm doing something different. I'm challenging myself to pray for my marriage and to see if it really makes a difference. Because prayer is powerful. It's not just words, it's a lifeline, a way to invite God into our relationship, to ask for His wisdom, His healing, His help. So many couples, they don't talk about it, but they're struggling, not with hatred, but with silence, with feeling like roommates instead of lovers, with going through the motions, wake up, survive the day, go to sleep, repeat. And somewhere in that cycle, love begins to fade. Maybe that's where you are right now, feeling distant, feeling like you're living next to someone you don't really see anymore. But let me just say this, you are not alone. So many couples, even the strongest looking ones, hit this wall. And sometimes that wall isn't the end, it's the beginning of a breakthrough. So here's the truth. We need to check our hearts. Have we stopped listening? Have we stopped saying thank you? Are we so tired from life that we've stopped loving on purpose? That's why I'm praying tonight. Not just a ritual, but a rescue. Because I know that prayer can shift the atmosphere of your home. When you pray, something powerful happens. You start seeing your spouse differently. You hear the unspoken. You soften where you were once hard. And slowly, the warmth returns. I've seen it in my marriage and in others too. So tonight, join me in this prayer. Dear God, we invite you into our marriage tonight. Help us to see each other through your eyes, to understand one another's hearts and needs. Give us wisdom to communicate in love, to heal what's broken, and to rebuild something even stronger. Say it from your heart. Mean it. Let those words break the silence. And when you're done, talk. Even if it's awkward, even if it's just a whisper, because that whisper might just be the start of your comeback. Marriage isn't just about feelings, it's about fighting together. And prayer is how we fight in the Spirit. So, if this prayer moved something in your heart, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment. Let me know what shifted for you tonight. And hey, if you want more marriage prayers, subscribe, tap the bell, and let's keep inviting God into our most sacred relationship. Let's pray love back to life tonight.